So lipids, right? We know about them. I talked about them recently. These are lipid chains, all right? This is the main structure that you're going to see lipids in most of the time. And they come in two forms, right? There are saturated chains, right? And they just have single bonds between carbon atoms because there's a carbon atom, a carbon atom, carbon atom. There's only one single bond there, right? And then you have unsaturated fatty acid chains. And a chain of lipids is a fatty acid, by the way. And those are defined by this little double bond right here between all the carbon atoms, right? Now, lipids are all over the place in your body, right? And they're used for all sorts of things. But one of the most common places you're going to see them is in the cell's membrane, all right? Wherein these things called phospholipids, they contribute to the structure of the membrane, right? And phospholipids, they can either have a saturated fatty acid chain or an unsaturated fatty acid chain, or they could have a saturated fatty acid chain and just another saturated fatty acid chain. And a phospholipid could also just have two unsaturated fatty acid chains. Lipids are also hydrophobic, so that helps them to let other hydrophobic molecules pass through the membrane. And that passing through the membrane is what we call transport.